Okay, so I have started the recording now. So what I was telling is you can go for another type of story also, where I had done for, let me show you that also. This is about the pictures which the children have done. It's very simple. Say for demo, I am teaching AI for class 8. There is a, game called as SDG, Sustainable Development Goals. And in the textbook, they have given the process of making the game and playing it. So instead of that, what I did is I clicked some images and showed them how to, how to create this game. So I'm just selecting that and showing it to you. All the steps of the game are there. See, my own pictures will be there here, which I've taken. So all the images will be imported now. See, all the images have come. So if I preview it, I'll go.
Pictures can we put? Is there a limit
Any
to the
number? There is no limit at all.
Any
number. Any number. Maximum,
okay.
actually, for a small one, for small children, maximum 20 we can go, isn't it, sir?
Okay,
maybe 20
no
to 25. No, there, I don't think so, sir. There is no limit for this. So if I go to next, and all the narrations, everything I'm going to give one by one. Now I'll just preview it and show it to you how it looks like. This one, demonstration one. Okay. So I'll start from here. So like this, I demonstrated one activity for my children, and one I did for climate change. That also, those images also, I'm going to show it to you. So I'll just go back. And those images have taken from Google only. Say climate change, I had to do one lesson plan. So this is about climate change. These images have downloaded. Uttarakhand floods was there. So those images have downloaded from Google Image and have done. So once all these procedures are over, next step is to save the project and see it in big screen, how it looks like. So I'll just click on next, click on save project. What name you want to give for this? So I'll say demo for say class 8 or whichever class you're taking. This I'm going to give the email name. Wherever you want to save it, say in the desktop, and then it'll take some few seconds to save it. Next step, what we'll do is we'll preview it now. Click on next. See, now there are many options over here. Save your story for playback on your computer. Since we are using our laptops to teach online now, better to save it in your computer. If you want to share it in WhatsApp, you can always use WhatsApp web to send it to the across the children. But I suggest to save it in your computer. Click on the first option and click on next. It is preparing the video now. It is mixing the audio now. And finally, it is going to generate the video for us. Here, the extension of the file is .wmv because it is Windows Movie Maker. Okay, Windows Movie Video. Once it is done, you can view your story or create another story. Now, I want to view my story, how it looks like in the big screen for my children. So just view your story, click on this, and it starts playing. Hi, Radhika and Sham. Today, we are going to visit a... So like this, the images are going to be made in a form of a video and it is going to come. Suppose you're satisfied with everything, then you can click on exit button. If you're not satisfied, maybe your voice modulation is not okay, or the image position is not okay, or some music, there is some problem, then you can always, instead of exiting, go back. You're going to trace back the same steps that we started from the beginning. Like suppose this image, I do not want it to be here. I want to take it a little bit further. So I can rearrange this photo, something like this. I can bring it over here. Suppose this image I do not want also. So that I can click on the cross button over here, delete option. It is going to get deleted over here. Or maybe the music I felt was not okay for this particular video. I can go to the next. Then click on next. See this music, I can delete the music entirely over here. The entire music is deleted. And then I can again go to select music and select whichever other music I want. Click on open. And here the volume is very high. I can minimize it. I can reduce the volume. Just have a preview about it, how it is sounding. Let us listen and then we can decide. Hi, Radhika and Sham. Today we are going to visit a factory and know what kinds of pollution this. See here, the music has changed. Now I want the music to change after 5th or 6th image. So I'm going to click on that particular image. Then again go to select music and select the next music, whichever I want, and then click on open. Say you want to preview now. Just keep this from here. It is going to start playing for you. And we can see the change also in the music. Let me show it to you now. See, the music also has changed. Once everything is done, you feel that your photo story is completely done. Again, save the project and whatever steps we followed previously. Again, I'm going to give the same name because I'm changing or editing the same file. Click on save. It gives the message. It already exists, whether you want to replace it or not. Click on yes button. It is going to save the project and then we are going to follow the same steps that we did before. Once this is done, click on next. Again, save your story for playback on your computer. Choose this one. Click on next. It already exists because we are doing it in the same file. Always click on replace it. Because I don't have any issues, click on yes. It prepares the video. All the 3 steps it is going to follow. 1, 2, and 3. It'll take some few seconds over here to do that. Once it is done, we can preview it now, how it looks like. See, it is generating the video now for us. See, now we can go for view story. It comes with the new music. Hi, Radhika and Sham. So like this, we can do it. So, and I had done for one of our students the same SDG one, which is there in YouTube. I'll just play it for you all. This one I have uploaded in the YouTube. It looks something like this. In full screen, I'll show it to you.
Hi friends, today in this video you are going to learn about Sustainable Development Goals, a board game which has been designed for the students of class 8 prescribed by CBSE for the subject Artificial Intelligence under the proposed module.
Okay, so like this it comes. So depending on my narration, it has adjusted all the video part over here. Okay, so it will adjust everything. So I'm just playing it over here. Different music, I'm playing it.
Once the cuttings are ready, take this sheet and paste it neatly on a chart paper.
See, like this, you can generate it and put it in YouTube or share it among your friends. One more for Rotary also had done a photo story. I would like to share with you all. I can play it and show it to you.
Hello everybody. Welcome to the wonderful tour of our district 3261. Our district of Rotary 3261 comprises of 3 states, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. There are 72 Rotary clubs in this district. Now, I will take you all through a wonderful picture tour of the most enchanting places present in our district, and I'm sure all of you will be mesmerized to see how Mother Earth has blessed us with some wonderful jewels. The first place is...
Okay, I'm just going to stop this. For Rotary people, I had done this and I had shared it in YouTube. So in this way, you can create interesting stories for your children for any subject, and you can make your classroom more effective and interesting. So now if anybody has got any doubt or anything, you can ask.
Ma'am, any site you recommend for the music? Any site where we can download the music?
I normally go to YouTube, ma'am, and there I type background music copyright free video editing, like I'll just show it to you, ma'am. I'll just share it with you now, the screen. So here, see, I type normally background music for videos, no copyright. So it comes like this. So no copyright, download you are going to get for free. So this is not going to have any issues. So you can download it and then you can use it. Now, but these are all MP4 files, ma'am. So if you want to make it as MP3, as you know, you can use the online converter file, softwares are there, or utilities are there. You can convert the MP4 into MP3 files.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Excuse
ma'am.
me.
Okay.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Prabhavati.
Okay.
I was late from school today, so I was at almost like half an hour. I was not able to attend the class.
Okay, don't worry,
so
ma'am.
can
I'll
you
be
just-
sending you the recording, ma'am. You can see it. But still, if you have any doubts, you can contact me over WhatsApp or you can call me, ma'am. I'll be happy to help
Sure.
you. Okay.
Thank you
I'll
so
be
much,
sending
madam.
the
Thank you so much.
Okay. Any other?
Yeah, ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, ma'am.
The slide or that image that is going to remain in the video,
Huh?
that depends on the narration, the
Yes,
time
ma'am.
of the
Yes,
narration,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Huh?
So the longer the narration, the more time it will be there on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
right?
ma'am. That is true. That is true. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Huh? Any other doubts or anything?
And one more thing,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know, when you were guiding us to type the text over there, right? So
Yeah.
suppose I use it as my script board. So whatever I have to speak in my narration, I type out my script over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, will that automatically kind of come on that picture, or I can, after my recording, delete it?
You can delete. This is only for your reference. Instead of holding the paper, see, normally what do? We hold the paper and then we read, isn't it? So instead of that, you can type over here, or you can type it in Word, copy that particular part to that narration part, see and read. Because when you're recording, your mind will be seeing the image, will be your earphones will be plugged, and you want to see and read. So instead of holding the paper like this, so if you're holding the paper, your eyes will be on the paper, not on that particular image, isn't it? So better to type
Works
over
it.
there and then read it and then record it, ma'am.
And then delete that part. So
Yes,
that
you
will
can
not
delete.
come on the...
No. Whatever you write in that narration part, nothing is going to come on the screen. It's only for your voice recording, ma'am.
Okay. I
Okay.
confused
That is only
Okay,
for
thank-
us. That is the title part will come on the image.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
That title will come on the image, but the narration is only for the narrator who wants to record it.
Understood. Thank
It
you.
is just like a guide for us. Instead of holding the paper, see paper अगर हम लोग पकड़ते हैं हाथ में तो हमारा नजर पेपर के ऊपर रहेगा, ये स्क्रीन के ऊपर नहीं रहेगा. Suppose I want to tell something when the image is coming or something, so better to type over there and keep it just for a reference.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So any other doubt or clarification?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
That is a
you.
wonderful session, and that
Okay.
we learn the new techniques and make the children will be
Yes.
happy and enjoyable.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So thank you so much. Yes, ma'am.
Is it applicable to higher classes also?
Yes, ma'am. This I have done it for class 12 also. I teach in class 8,
Okay.
10 and 12. Even for class 12
Okay.
children, I have done it. So it is going to be effective for every class, not only small children, even for bigger students also. That is high school, senior secondary. I have tried all these things for all my children.
Wow, that's great, ma'am.
Yeah,
And
that's really nice.
And
Very
main
nice.
advantages in the online class, you can teach them within a matter of 10 minutes. And you can tell them, बच्चों अभी तुम लोग ये करो activity और मुझे दिखाओ. So within 40 minutes
Okay.
duration, children are doing this and showing live demonstrations are going on. Videos are made because they have to use the smartphone to click the photo and make a narration and just send it to the teacher, isn't it? So that is the biggest
Okay.
advantage. And main thing is for non-IT teachers, so it is a blessing in disguise. There are many more
very true.
softwares which we can use, but I found this has to be most effective one, ma'am.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
it's
madam.
very simple and really very
Yeah.
effective.
Very
nice.
effective. Yes,
Yeah.
that is true. And since I have tried and tested on myself and my children, I can confidently say that you can all try.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
for
you,
such a
Smita
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
sparing your time.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Very
I'll be
interesting
sending,
session.
I'll be sending the
Very, very
feedback
interesting
form
session.
in the group only. Kindly fill up the feedback and I have prepared the certificate as told by Matthew sir. So all of you are going to get the certificate. So,
Great.
Great.
and in future,
No,
I
Matthew sir
expect
is
that.
doing a wonderful job.
Yes,
I should say.
yes,
You
yes,
know,
that is true.
he's motivating us in such a way. And Smita
Yes.
ma'am, yours was a boom on. Very
Okay.
good one. You know, I am so
Okay.
much, I am very tech savvy. Although I'm
Okay.
taking biology.
Uh-huh.
And while you are doing, while you are teaching us this MS photo story,
Uh-huh.
you know what happens during this pandemic situation?
Yes, ma'am.
While I was doing 12th practicals, we use O labs.
Okay.
So in O labs, all the things are not present. All the practicals are not there.
Yes,
So
yes.
now
that is
I
true.
have understood how I am going to teach my students.
Yes,
Yeah.
You
yes,
know,
that is
real
true.
practical experience I will give. Thank you, both
Yes,
of you,
yes.
Matthew sir and Smita ma'am.
Okay, okay. And I've got
Thank
few
you,
more
ma'am.
Even I
software.
was facing, sorry to interrupt,
Thank you.
even I was
Yes.
facing the difficulties with that. That is what I was asking, whether I can record my practicals in the videos.
Yes, yes, that you can do, because even for artificial intelligence, few things like this board game, I had to teach the children. So I developed this concept and I taught them, and wonderful videos the children gave me back using this photo story, or even other softwares also they have used. But I taught them this one, but from my side, and they have done wonderful job. As Matthew sir told, if we give an art integrated project, they are going to come out with 100 more ideas. That's what happened to me also. So that really helped me. And a few more ICT tools are there which I've learned during this lockdown period. In future, if you people are interested, I'll be happy to share my experiences and my knowledge with all of you. And from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all of you for joining this session.
Thank you very much. We are looking
Thank you
So
very
looking
much.
forward to many more.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, definitely. Yes.
Thank
it's
you,
a very
sir.
now.
It's
fruitful one.
answer
Thank
you
you.
too, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Smita
Thank you.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
We
you.
may be
Okay,
educated
bye.
teachers, but we are illiterate. This is the future.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you
you
all
so
for
much.
joining.
Thank
I'll
you.
be sending the
Thank
feedback
you,
form
ma'am.
and
Thank you,
you'll
sir.
get the certificate. If you have any issues, please kindly text me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
How
Thank
can
you
we
all.
text you? How can we
Through
text you, ma'am?
WhatsApp, ma'am. Through WhatsApp. We are in that group.
Okay,
Na, you
fine.
can. Once everything is over,
Okay,
I'll
thank
remove
you.
that group. Okay. Once it is done.
Thank you so much. Thanks. God
Okay.
bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.